Welcome to Mindhaven, your sanctuary for inner peace and mindful living. Take a moment to settle in, whether you are sitting comfortably or lying down. Let your body relax and your mind begin to slow. Close your eyes gently and bring your attention to your breath. Inhale slowly through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. Again, inhale and exhale. Let go of any tension you may be holding. As you continue to breathe slowly and deeply, imagine a soft, warm light glowing in the center of your chest, the heart center. This light represents your happiness. It's already within you. You don't need to search for it. Just reconnect with it now. With each breath in, feel that light grow a little brighter, a little warmer. As you exhale, imagine any stress, worry, or heaviness melting away. Now gently bring into your mind a moment that made you smile, a memory, a person, a place that fills you with joy. See it clearly. Let yourself feel that happiness again. Let it rise up from within and fill your whole body. Now silently repeat these affirmations, either in your mind or softly out loud. Happiness is my natural state. I allow joy to flow through me. I deserve to feel good. I am grateful for this moment. Let each word settle into your being like a gentle ripple across a calm lake. Feel the truth of them. You are allowed to feel good. You are allowed to smile, even now, even here. As we begin to close this practice, take one more deep breath in and exhale fully. Bring a small, soft smile to your face, even if you don't feel like it. That small action alone begins to shift your energy. Carry this lightness, this warmth into the rest of your day. When you are ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes and gently open your eyes. Thank you for joining me here at Mindhaven. May happiness find you easily, and may you always remember the joy you seek lives inside you